This sale is for a 2000 Ford Ranger pickup truck. The truck is powered by a 3.0-liter V6 gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. There are 66,017 miles listed on this vehicle and it starts on its own. The keys are included for this truck. Please see website to bid on this Ford Ranger. Liquidity Services provides buyers and sellers with the world's most transparent and innovative online marketplaces for surplus assets. We add new inventory weekly with merchandise from government agencies, corporate clients, and commercial businesses. Thank you for visiting Liquidity Services.